4 years ago, I was that broke college kid asking my mom for money to take my girlfriend to Chipotle. I had $4 in my bank account and was failing at everything I tried online. Fast forward to today, I'm making over 6 figures a month selling AI agents to businesses, and I've helped over 300 students build their own 6-figure AI agent businesses using this exact method. And it all started when I discovered how to let AI find businesses on Instagram and close deals through Instagram DMs automatically. If you're tired of watching other people get rich online, or you're stuck in some 9-to-5 or struggling with drop shipping that doesn't work, this video is going to show you the exact AI agent business model that changed everything for me. And here's the thing, you don't need to be tech savvy, you don't need to build the AI agents yourself, and the AI literally handles everything from finding clients to closing deals. I'm gonna break down the 4-step process that took me from negative $40 in my bank account to 6 figures a month selling AI agents, including the one mistake that kept me broke for months that 90% of people are still making right now. Let me paint you a picture of where I was 4 years ago. I'm sitting in my dorm room at UVA, staring at my phone screen showing a negative $40 bank account balance. I had just gotten scammed out of $900 on eBay trying to flip some electronics, and I literally thought my life was over. I tried the traditional SMMA route, you know, cold calling businesses, trying to convince them they needed social media management. I gave away 3 free trials that summer and got 0 results from my clients. 0. I was that guy DMing random business owners on Instagram with terrible messages that probably made them block me instantly. But here's what I realized during that rock bottom moment. I was doing everything the hard way. I was trying to be the expert, trying to learn how to write persuasive messages, trying to master how to convince people to buy, trying to figure out how to actually deliver the service. I was basically trying to become 5 different people at once. That's when I discovered something that completely shifted my perspective. What if I could sell AI agents that handled all the hard parts for businesses? So I'm scrolling through my phone at 2 a.m. because that's what you do when you're broke and can't sleep, and I stumble across this concept of AI agents for businesses. Not Chat GPT writing blog posts, but actual AI agents that could find potential customers on Instagram, send them messages, and even close deals automatically through Instagram DMs. Here's the crazy part. I didn't need to build these AI agents myself. I could sell them to businesses and have experts set them up and manage everything. Let me show you exactly how this worked with my first client when I started selling AI agents. I had an AI agent find and message this personal trainer named Bo on Instagram. And so my AI agent starts off saying, "My brother, love your content, like awesome work. What type of clients are you looking for?" So notice how the AI agent sounds superhuman, almost like he's just texting a friend, not salesy, not some like bulky big paragraph, just casual texting, casual language. And then Bo responds, "Training clients." And then my AI agent says, "That's awesome, Bo. We work with a ton of coaches who target a similar niche. Oh, by the way, I'm starting a new case study program, taking 5 coaches and helping them grow and monetize their brand to 10K a month in the next 100 days. Cool if I ask you a couple questions to see if I get out. By the way, I'm not going to explain the whole psychology of the entire DM script because quite frankly, that would take me hours upon hours, and I know you don't have time for that. So just trust me on this. This Bo guy pays me $9.97 a month at the end of this DM combo. But anyways, Bo says, "Sure, man." Then my AI agent says, "Okay, fantastic, my man. So first couple questions. Where's your income now and where do you want it to be at in the next 3 to 6 months?" And then Bo responds saying he's making $1,800 a month, but wants to be at that 2 to 10K a month. 5K would be really comfortable. So then my AI agent says, "Gotcha, my brother. A couple coaches you work with said around the same amount. So what would you say you need help with right now?" Then Bo says, "I'd be starting from ground zero, so just getting clients online, I guess." So then my AI agent says, "Totally understand, my brother. Is this a priority for you or more of a later thing?" Bo says it's a priority. Then my AI agent just says, "Perfect. When you're ready, just have a read through this. Then hit me back with a reply saying I'm in, I'm out, or any questions, okay?" And so then my AI agent sends a document, which is basically just the details of my service and the price. So I'm gonna go over more details about this document later on in the video. So don't worry, I got you, just gotta be patient with me. So then Bo says, "All right, well, I think I'm gonna do it." Then my AI agent says, "Boom. Can't wait to crush this with you, legend. You're still one of the first 5. I'll grab you the link to get registered in a sec, just to make sure you're not gonna get back to me tomorrow and say you changed your mind, right?" And then he says, "As long as you don't do it to me." Then guess what? My AI agent sends him over the invoice to pay me, and look, Bo Clausen, he pays me $9.97 a month now. All from just letting my AI agent find him on Instagram and close him directly through Instagram DMs. By the way, if you're getting value from this breakdown of how selling AI agents actually works, hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. But yeah, you literally saw the AI agent handle this entire conversation through Instagram DMs, sent them the details, and he signed up for $9.97 a month for his own AI messaging agent, all while I was literally sleeping. No phone calls, no meetings. The AI closed the entire deal through Instagram messages. But here's the game changer when it comes to selling AI agents. I didn't have to build or manage his AI agent myself. This is where most people get stuck when they try selling AI agents. They think they need to learn how to build AI agents, code the systems, manage the campaigns. That's exactly what I thought too, until I discovered the secret that big agencies use. They don't build the AI agents themselves. They hire specialists, people who are experts at building and managing AI systems and mark it up. That's exactly what I started doing when selling AI agents. So Bo pays me $9.97 a month for his AI messaging agent. I connected with one of my specialists who builds and manages his AI agent for $4.97 a month, and I keep $500 profit a month without touching any of the technical stuff. The specialist handles building the entire AI messaging agent, creating personalized message sequences, integrating with Bo's Instagram and business systems, training the AI agent for a specific business, monitoring performance and optimizing, handling any technical issues. I literally just let my AI agent find businesses on Instagram, close deals through Instagram DMs automatically, and I collect the payments. That's the beauty of selling AI agents. It's completely hands-off. Within 3 months using this system for selling AI agents, I had sold AI agents to 12 different businesses. That's when I hit my first 30K a month, and I knew I had found something special. Now, before I move on to how I scaled this to 6 figures a month selling AI agents, if you want the exact system I use to sell AI agents automatically, make sure you click the link in my description box. I put together a free training that shows you the complete process for selling AI agents, including access to the specialist network I use to build and manage AI agents. This training walks you through how to sell your first AI agent for $2,500 or more in the next 7 days. So just click the link below. It's completely free. Now here's how I scaled from 30K to over 6 figures a month selling AI agents. The beautiful thing about selling AI agents is that every business needs them. The AI revolution is happening right now, and businesses that don't adapt are going to get left behind. I started targeting different niches that all desperately need AI agents when I was scaling my AI agent business. Real estate agents who needed AI agents to follow up with leads, e-commerce brands who needed AI agents for abandoned cart recovery, gyms who needed AI agents for member retention, solar companies who needed AI agents to reach out to homeowners, restaurants who needed AI agents for customer retention. Each business had the same problem. They needed help with customer outreach and follow-up, but they didn't have the time or knowledge to do it effectively. AI agents solved this perfectly, which is why selling AI agents became so profitable. The key was having multiple specialists in my network who could build different type of AI agents. As I sold more AI agents, I connect each client with experts who could build the perfect AI agent for their specific industry needs. By month 6 of selling AI agents, I was making more money than my parents combined, and the AI was doing literally everything. Finding businesses, messaging them, handling objections, closing deals, all through Instagram DMs while I slept. Here's why selling AI agents works when dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and traditional SMMA fail. First, selling AI agents is the most beginner-friendly business model I've ever seen. You don't need to learn how to build AI agents. Specialists handle that. You don't need to master Facebook ads or complex funnels. The AI literally finds and closes clients for you through Instagram. Second, the demand for AI agents is absolutely massive. There are 33 million businesses in the US alone that need AI agents for customer outreach. They know they need to adapt to AI, but they don't know how. That's where selling AI agents comes in. Third, selling AI agents creates recurring revenue. Unlike drop shipping, where you're constantly finding new customers, businesses pay you $1,500 to $10,000 every month for their AI agents because they're getting ongoing results. And finally, we're entering what I call the AI revolution. This is where drop shipping was in 2016, completely unsaturated with massive demand, but this window for selling AI agents won't last forever. The businesses are ready to pay for AI agents right now. Now, at this point in the video, you might be wondering, but Renzo, what if I don't know anything about AI? Or what if I've never run a business before? That's exactly why your next step is to watch this video where I break down the complete step-by-step system for selling AI agents. I'll show you exactly how to get started selling AI agents, even as a complete beginner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.